So I run the blending room as a team leader, and I pump all the honey through to the production lines. I have to coordinate all the honey coming in, putting into the correct tanks, feeding 4 lines, which is actually due to increase. So my apprenticeship is in food manufacturing. It's a level 3. So yeah, I'm relatively new into it. It's something that is a great way to learn on the job, obviously being new into the industry. It's just a great way to be able to give something back to the company as well, to get trained and learn all different things.
My name is Wyn and my job title is Supplier Quality Assurance. My job is mainly focused on communicating with suppliers. We have suppliers from all around the world. Some of them are brokers, some we have to speak to directly. So from the communication skills I've learned from training with my apprenticeship is learning who I'm speaking to. I could be speaking to a technical person, or I could be speaking to a buyer or a salesperson. And it's important that I speak to the right person for what I need. For example, if there's some certificate of analysis or there's a problem with quality, then I need to speak to someone from a quality department. So sometimes I could be asking for something to someone that doesn't really understand what I need. And also it could be someone from a different country who speaks a different language, so you need to make sure you speak as simply and clearly and straight to the point.
There are so many benefits to having apprentices in the business. You can see that it gives them a sense of value, a sense of purpose, and you can see that they're interested in growing. Once you have some apprenticeships in the business, there are so many others then that become intrigued and want to know more. And it's great to see that for our staff. As a business, we want our staff to feel as though they are valued and that they have the opportunity to grow. Scott is very keen to keep the company in Newtown. He wants for there to be jobs in the town. He wants the opportunity for people to stay in the area, to stay with their family. And I think that's one of the big reasons as to why apprenticeships are great, is not everybody has the opportunity to go into university or possibly have missed out in their education in the past. So to have that chance to grow themselves, whatever stage of life they're in, I think is just amazing.